We are all packed up, done with Luxor, ready to start the road trip again. Where are we headed now?
Hoover Dam and then Grand Canyon.
Are you ready for more road trip, kiddos?
Yes!
Let's do it. We are driving down the strip on the way out. This is probably the best way to see the most. This is it. It's a lot easier from the car, huh? Aria, Cosmopolitan, Planet Hollywood, Rainforest Cafe. There's the Hunger Games in front of us. Here's Paris. We were here. There's Bellagio. The Mirage. There's that mall in Vegas. Fashion show. Everybody loves clowns. We are on our way out of Las Vegas. We've gotten our Starbucks coffees, McDonald's breakfast, full tank of gas, and we have our route set to go to Hoover Dam. Should be there in about 45 minutes. Some nice rides. Overlook about 2 miles from the dam. Is it pretty windy?
Yes, it is. Just look at my hair. It's like crazy.
It already looks cool and it's far away. Look out for the Rams. Okay, some good driving, right?
Yeah, I don't
I was a little curious. Up we go. Here's where we parked. We just entered a different state. Mom is still in Nevada. That's it. Now we walk back to Nevada. We've seen it all. It is awesome up here. That's the bridge we were on. Look at the size of the concrete. We're in the parking garage so that we can get out and walk a little bit. Out of order, coming up. I guess we're taking the stairs again. Yeah, it's wet. Work here are drilling, blasting the dynamite through the walls to create these tunnels about 4.
Okay, for that valley, that's not bad.
Out of the elevator. That is going to give us a feel for the each one of those is 7 feet tall, 7 to 8 feet tall. A lot bigger levels to go down because you always see the whole person on top of it. And then you move back and forth. Right here on the side.
Hi, we're at Hoover Dam. This is pretty cool. All this water, amazing. From Colorado.
Let's go out to where it's 108 degrees.
These brave characters, called high skaters, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a person's chair, drilling plastic chipping away at the rock.
What do you think of this place?
It's awesome.
It's huge, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the world
Steep.
famous
Real steep.
Yeah.
house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy.
All right, Paige, let's touch it. All right, this is the last stop on our Hoover Dam tour, and we're overlooking the bridge that we walked at before, and over there is the dam. And now let's do the blaster. All right, this is like a jailbreak, guys. How do we get out? We are on the edge. All right, we're wrapping up Hoover Dam. Any last words?
It was damn awesome.
Watch your damn language. It's pretty damn hot out here, but we had a damn good time. Oh yeah! We're driving over the dam because we can. Alright, this is the last of it. That's where we were, crossing the bridge. And now we're on. It's not quite the same view from up here. We are in Arizona. Got some windy mountain roads. Hot sun we got in the desert. Stop eating animals to the left, but animal eating to the right. The road warrior. Look at their antlers. Found a parking spot. This might be it. And trail. We are here. There's no guardrails here. The video's not showing the quarter-mile drop that is right here. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
It's scary. All right, we are finally here, and there's just enough light to enjoy it. And it is surreal. It almost doesn't seem real, but check this out. You can walk right up to the edge here. And I'm sure Mimi would be freaking out right now if she could see this crazy view. It's beautiful and it's gargantuan. Okay, we did it. We had a full day of driving and we made it to the Grand Canyon with just enough light to see and enjoy.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. What do you guys think of this view? Anything like this you've ever seen before?
Never. But it's giant. It's like huge. Just
Grand.
look at that.
It is. It's incredible. Take a look.